Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this brand new 2025 Wagoneer Series II that we have here on the lot. Just gonna take a quick walk around the unit today just to show you some of the features and options that this Wagoneer has to offer. Now this Wagoneer is equipped with your 3-liter inline-6 Hurricane twin-turbo engine. And the Series 2 model comes packed with tons of great features. In the back here, you do have your rear park sense, so you can see your sensors across that back bumper. Of course, your backup camera equipped back there. Your power lift gate. So taking a peek at the cargo area in the back, you can see plenty of room back there for your gear bags to be stored out of the way while on the go. You also do have your power folding seats, so you can easily add that extra cargo room when needed. And as you can see, you do have floor mats included across the unit, even in the cargo area back there. Again, just your power liftgate option. So we're just coming around towards the passenger side here. You can see the unit is in your bright white paint finish with your two-tone paint as well, so you can see you have your black accents just on the roof there. Running boards also equipped. Checking out the inside, you do have your second row captain chair, so you can get 2 passengers quite comfortably in that second row. Plenty of legroom there. Again, floor mats included. In that second row, you do have your climate control options, heated second row seats, as well as all of your USB port connections. Up top, you do have your dual pane sunroof, as well as your sunroof in the back. Again, just your power seats, so you can easily access that third row. 3 passengers can fit quite comfortably in that third row. Seats themselves are the Nappa leather seats, so again, offer plenty of comfort for you and your passengers. Hopping up front here, you can see you do have your touchscreen display, so you do have the Uconnect 5 system in here and that 10.1-inch touchscreen display, so very user-friendly interface. Access to, of course, all of your audio media controls built in here. Climate control options also accessible in through your touchscreen. So you do have your dual climate control, heated vented seats, as well as your heated steering wheel. Bluetooth capabilities, as well as all of the apps and settings in throughout the unit. And navigation. Just below your screen, again, all of your basic climate control options. Down and below that, USB port hookups, wireless charger. A little bit of storage space in throughout that center console area. Key fob for the Wagoneer right here. Remote start is included, so another great feature. You don't have to worry about post-purchase. Your push button start just below there. Steering wheel mounted controls. So your cruise control, adaptive cruise control is equipped. Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities. Audio media controls. Of course, all of your power windows, locks, side mirrors, memory driver's seat. And this Wagoneer is also equipped with tons of great safety features, included select terrain management, active lane management, as I mentioned, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, full speed collision warning, and more. So if you're looking for a great everyday SUV, something with that extra passenger and cargo space and all of these safety features, this Wagoneer could be for you. Please feel free to give the team a call at 780-826-2999 or follow the links below.